Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change your media upload quality to HD on WhatsApp. If you've been frustrated with the compressed quality of your photos and videos, you're in luck. WhatsApp now allows you to set HD as the default quality for all your media uploads. Let's dive into the simple steps to make this happen. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll want to look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your WhatsApp settings page. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see Storage and Data. Tap on this option to access more detailed settings about how WhatsApp handles your media and data. Now in the Storage and Data menu, scroll down a bit until you find Media Upload Quality. This is where the magic happens. Tap on this option to see your choices for upload quality. You'll see two options here, Standard and HD quality. By default, WhatsApp sets this to Standard to save data and speed up transfers. But we want the best quality for our photos and videos, right? So, go ahead and select HD quality. And that's it. You've successfully changed your media upload quality to HD. From now on, all the photos and videos you send through WhatsApp will be in high definition by default. No more manually selecting HD every time you want to share a crisp, clear image or video. Remember, while HD quality looks great, it does use more data and may take longer to send, especially if you have a slower internet connection. But if you're after the best possible quality for your media, this setting is perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your high-quality photos and videos on WhatsApp.